Hey guys, today I'll show you how to create a block of knots using double half hitch knots. This method creates a V shape at the bottom. I'll play around with this method a little bit more to see if I can come up with a way to square it off. Before we get started, I wanted to mention that my shop is stocked with new premium cotton, string, and rope in various colors. Sizes range from 2mm to 9mm. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. For this tutorial, I'm using 5mm 3-ply rope. Let's get started. For your setup, cut 6 pieces of rope, each piece is 10 feet long. Fold each piece in half and attach to your dowel using Lark's head knots. Use the second cord from the left as your filler cord and the leftmost cord as your working cord and tie a double half hitch knot. Repeat that process with the next 2 cords on the right. Tie another double half hitch knot with the working cord from the first double half hitch knot. Tie one more double half hitch knot using the leftmost cord as your working cord. Continue this pattern all the way across your work. Once you've run out of rope at the top of your work, use the rightmost cord as your filler cord and tie double half hitch knots all the way down your work. At the end of your row, do not tie a double half hitch knot with a filler cord from the previous row. Tie one more row of knots so that you have 6 cords on one side and 6 cords on the other when you're finished. If needed, space out your double half hitch knots a bit by pushing them down your filler cords to create an even V shape at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, leave a comment, and/or share it. Tutorial requests are always welcome, so drop a comment below if you're interested in a specific knot or pattern tutorial. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook.